Welcome back to another walk around and test drive video at Coyote Classics. As Chad just said, it's hot out today, but it's not going to stop us from
burnt my arm.
It's not going to stop us from checking out this little '68 Mustang Coupe.
This little green thing won me a little money against that race the other day with you.
I did. We raced it against our nice gold one, and this thing beat me. Underneath the hood of it is built 289. Really nice engine compartment. As you can kind of already see, it's only had one repaint on the exterior. It could use definitely freshen up with the exterior paint. But look at underneath the hood. Just highly detailed, very nice. That's Chad turning the air on. The compressor kicks in, it looks like.
Yeah, it does. I'm just going to see if it works.
Yeah.
If it needs any freon or not. But it's
judging by the
up.
numbers on the 289, this is the correct original motor as far as we can tell for this car.
Yeah, it's VIN correct.
VIN's on it too, yeah. VIN numbers matching motor. Got air conditioning, power steering.
The air
really
all
nice.
kicks on and stuff, but it does need a charge.
Real nice under the hood though.
I'll let you do this one, Big D.
All right, this is an easy one. So the biggest thing with this one, just to sum it up, is one repaint an awful long time ago. So if you look at it, the paint's got some film on it, it's faded, you know, kind of sun faded. To make it a nice, you know, nice paint, you gotta repaint it. It's got a couple small little dings, but really nice under the hood, numbers matching motor, air car, runs and drives good as well.
Somebody already went ahead and did the wheels and tires, right?
Yeah.
I mean, that came in this way. The wheels and tires are excellent.
Yeah, wheels and tires are very nice.
And this thing drives so awesome. We'll get to a lot of that stuff on the drive. We'll get to it on the interior, kind of telling you what works and what don't.
Looks like they did do a new like lower valance too. So
Front and rear, Dalton.
Front and rear valance,
Yep.
yeah. So when you paint it, that part's already ordered in there. The rest of it looks like original panels with one repaint.
It's got some little scratches and stuff, but that bottom of that front fender is perfect.
Yeah, the big thing we're going to try to show you on this one is, you know, the body and how solid it is, you know, because we kind of summed it up that if you want to make it nice, you want to repaint it. But really solid down here all the way along the rocker. The door fits good.
Over the wheel well is awesome. We put new wheel well trim. It does have one dent right here. See it? Mm-hmm. See, it's kind of dented right there.
Yep.
A little rust maybe. Dual exhaust on it as well.
Yeah, it's got a nice dual exhaust. Corner of the door and the doors are really solid.
It's all original paint on it in here, as far as on the inner
on the door panel itself.
There, yeah. Seats look like they've been recovered.
Yeah.
They're super nice.
Yeah, they are.
Carpet's nice. Headliner is excellent. I mean, very, very nice headliner with a new dome light cover and stuff all works. Seat belts in the front and back.
Yeah, paint on the door panels and the steering wheel and the gauges look to be original. Rest of the interiors looks restored and very nice. Vinyl top car. Vinyl top car, and the vinyl top's really solid. No bubbles or blisters here on this passenger side up over the roof. Same way, really nice. They must have replaced the vinyl top.
Yeah, I'm sure they did. As far as right here, it's got this little dent right here somewhere, don't it? I don't know, I seen it. It's got some little, like a little ding here. I mean, it's got some, you know. But that's just normal product prep when you're getting ready to paint.
Back bumper and the front bumper looked real good.
Yeah, it looks like they've been re-chromed or replaced. Yep.
Got a little ding back here. It's kind of neat the way it is too, the just original patina with the wheels on it.
Yeah, that's
the
cool.
Beautiful engine compartment. It's kind of neat that way too. But whatever the next guy wants to do with it, you can do with it.
It has nothing there. It has a dent right here, like a little size like that. And
vinyl top on this side, guys, too, is awesome. Really, really, really solid.
that's about it. A couple tiny little dings. It's in great shape. Couple bubbles here. The first bubbles I've seen, very, very small, and it's not really bubbled out. It's just very, very small right there. Lower fender's great.
So real good solid body if you want to repaint it.
Sure. Tag. Bottom of the door. Door panel looks good. Inside panel paint needs to be repainted. Door jamb paint. This looks like the original paint here. Right here. Under there, you can see that. Driver's side seat looks nice. A little sun fade here at the top. But all in all, good. Original steering wheel has some cracks. That probably should be replaced. Odometer shows 38,785. Here's what my favorite part of the car is.
Tells you a lot about it right there.
Original
Good song,
Philco
too.
works, yeah. Yep. So heater fan works and all speeds. Like I said, the air kicked in.
Got nice sounding exhaust.
It's a little powerful car. That
It
289
is.
2 barrels we changed over to a 4 barrel. Oil temperature right here, we've had it running for quite a while. When we went inside, it's right at half. Started up, it's going down a little bit. Oil pressure gauge works over here as well. What else can we say about it? Alternator gauge works, gas gauge works. We checked that. It's ready to go.
Let's get her going down the
Dome
road.
light works. Oh, you're hot.
Yeah.
Let's get her going down the road.
Get some air coming in the windows.
These are a little. These would be good too. Let's open those up. It's gonna be a nice little entry-level Mustang that, you know, you can just jump in and drive. Take to the. Freaking, if you have to take it on a little gravel or something, if you're on gravel, who gives a shit? Right?
Absolutely. Yeah, you got a real nice car, and down the road, if you want to do some things, you definitely can. But
Feel that transmission.
yeah,
Just how nice that shifted. Here's your brakes. Those are drum brakes too, right there in front. Look at that. It
and
stopped perfect.
looks like we added a horn button down there below the dash too.
I was gonna say it might be sick. I wasn't gonna. I didn't hit it right at the right time. Power steering works great. Nice and smooth. That's another nice option. Air and power steering.
Yeah, it is nice. Even just the air, guys. That's not cheap to do. I mean, $3,000-4,000 to add air on something. So
This is my little beauty here.
yeah, it's fun.
Speedometer works good. Tranny shifts good. Shifted into third gear at 72. I mean,
Yeah.
It's a really nice car.
Kick down works. Good car. Here's your brakes again.
And if you have to stop in a hurry, you can do it.
Yeah.
You go with those drums, which is kind of surprising, really.
We're gonna show you that it goes in reverse too. You know, I like this car a lot. I like cars like this that are just they're kind of sleepers. You look at them, you're gonna sleep on it. We pop the hood, beautiful engine compartment, and good running driving
Temperature
car.
gauge was at half from because it was kind of hot. You know, shut it off. It's down to cool. Oil pressure's right in the middle. Sitting here at an idle. Yeah, I'm impressed with it. Turning indicators work on both sides as well on the inside here. Wipers look like we did our typical put new wiper blades on like we always do. You know, if you don't do that, I mean, you have a little tear, next thing you know, you're scratching the hell out of your windshield.
Yeah.
So if you just go ahead and put it in drive, take off pretty normal, it goes.
Yeah, it does. Nice
Kind of
shift.
throws you back in your seat just a little bit on that shift. It's 75 right there.
That's awesome. It's a good car. Really is.
The steering's nice and tight, goes down the road good, alignment feels good, shocks feel good.
Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. I'll put a link down in the comment section if you're watching on YouTube. And for all the decodes, trim tag, and VIN on this car, go to the link or go to the description, and Shay's got all that decoded. But good car. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.